It's a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. Smart capabilities, strong performance. GMC. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V8 engine, four-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.